So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is called COVID-19 boosters, hot water benefits. Hot water kill bacteria on your body. Almond give healthy body or bones. Third is kada. Kada is most important because it give immunity strong or cough control. Fourth is called exercise is most important for us. It give body active. Steam open your nose and cut cough. Ginger tea strong immunity and cut cough. Elaichi gives strong immunity for us. I hope you like this video. Due to COVID-19, please take these things to get strong immunity and safe from corona. Thanks to watch this video. Bye bye.